Hello everyone, and welcome back to Healthy Wealth. I'm Ananya, and today marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter in our exploration of yoga. In this fourth installment of our video series on the history of yoga, we'll be delving into the intriguing world of yoga in the modern era. Throughout our journey so far, we've traced the rich tapestry of yoga's origins, its ancient philosophies, and its classical systems. But now, we turn our attention to the present day, where yoga has undergone a remarkable evolution to become a global phenomenon. As we step into the modern era, we'll uncover how yoga has transcended cultural boundaries, adapted to contemporary lifestyles, and found its place in the bustling cities and serene landscapes of today's world. But before we dive into our exploration, I want to extend a warm invitation to all our viewers. If you're enjoying our series and want to stay updated on future episodes, please consider subscribing to our channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and sharing it with your friends. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new content. Now, without further ado, let's embark on this enlightening journey together as we uncover the role of yoga in contemporary society and explore the myriad ways in which it continues to enrich lives around the globe. Welcome to our exploration of yoga in the modern era. In this segment, we delve into the revival and globalization of yoga, tracing its journey from ancient roots to contemporary practices. Revival of yoga. Yoga and associated texts. Yoga, which focuses on physical and mental strength-building exercises and postures, draws from several Hindu texts. These texts include Yoga Pradipika by S.V.T. Amarma, 15th century. Shiva Sanhita, author unknown, estimated to be from the 1500s or late 17th century. Gheranda Sanhita by Gheranda, late 17th century. Additionally, some scholars include Goraksha Sanhita by Gorakshanath, an 11th century text, in this list, as Gorakshanath is credited with popularizing present-day Hatha Yoga. Vajrayana Buddhism, founded by the Indian Mahasiddhas, also includes practices similar to Hatha Yoga, such as specific asanas and pranayams like Tummo. Laya and Kundalini Yoga. Laya and Kundalini Yoga, closely associated with Hatha Yoga, are often considered as independent approaches. Laya Yoga focuses on meditative absorption, seeking to transcend all memory traces and sensory experiences. Techniques may include listening to the inner sound, nada, mudras like Khechari and Shambhavi Mudra, and awakening Kundalini energy. Kundalini Yoga aims to awaken bodily and cosmic energy through breath and body techniques, uniting them with universal consciousness. It often involves guiding Kundalini energy from the lowest chakra to the highest, uniting with absolute consciousness. Reception by other religions. Christianity. Some Christians integrate physical aspects of yoga, separated from its spiritual roots, with prayer, meditation, and Jesus-centric affirmations. This practice involves renaming poses in English, abandoning Hindu mantras, and reframing yoga within a Christian context. However, this integration has faced criticism and charges of cultural appropriation from Hindu groups. Islam. While early Persian scholars like Al-Biruni translated Sanskrit works like the Yoga Sutras, yoga was not widely accepted in mainstream Sunni and Shia Islam. Minority Islamic sects, like Sufism, adopted yoga postures and breath control. However, some Islamic bodies, such as those in Malaysia and Indonesia, have issued fatwas prohibiting Muslims from practicing yoga due to its perceived association with Hinduism. Despite opposition, yoga has gained popularity in countries like Iran and Saudi Arabia, with practitioners facing challenges from conservative communities. Yoga today. Fast forward to the contemporary world, and yoga has become a global phenomenon. From bustling city studios to serene retreat centers, millions of practitioners from diverse backgrounds embrace yoga as a means of holistic well-being. Role in society. Yoga's versatility is evident in its integration into various facets of society, including healthcare, education, and corporate environments. Its adaptability makes it a valuable tool for addressing modern-day challenges. As we conclude our exploration of yoga in the modern era, we recognize its timeless wisdom and universal appeal. Whether practiced on the banks of the Ganges or in urban centers, yoga remains a sacred journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth. Let us honor its ancient lineage and embrace its teachings with reverence and gratitude. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of yoga and holistic wellness. Until next time, stay balanced, stay mindful, and stay connected to the divine within. Namaste.